Hello students, today we are going to see about problem 1 in the exercise 3.3. The question is, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. So here they have given AD is equal to, so we need to find out what is AD equivalent value. So this is a parallelogram ABCD. So we have the rule that opposite sides are equal, that is AB equal to CD, similarly AD equal to BC. Okay. So for the first question, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. Okay. And then what about the second question, angle DCB? What is angle? This is the angle DCB. So the middle value we have to consider. So they have given that DCB. So this value they are considering. So whenever this value they are considering means we have again a property called opposite angles, right? Opposite angles are equal. So DCB is equal to DAB, right? So opposite angles are equal. So angle DCB, this angle DCB is equal to DAB. Why? Because opposite angles are equal. So these are all the properties of the parallelogram. So using that we can easily find out this problem. So here OC, again OC is given. So OC is the value which will be equal to definitely OA. Why? Because again we have property of the parallelogram that the diagonals bisect each other. That is, this diagonal DB is bisecting the diagonal AC such that whatever the value it is bisecting, right, here this distance and this distance will be equal, that is OA is equal to OC. So OC is equal to OA. Why? Because diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisects each other. So definitely OD is equal to OB also, right? So fourth problem. So angle DAB, so this angle DAB, that is A, right? The angle at A they are asking, and plus angle CDA. So this angle DAB, right? And then CDA, this angle CDA, right? So these two angles they are adding. So DAB means angle at A. So CDA means angle at D, right? So these two angles, sum of the two angles, right? So these two angles are adjacent angles, right? So we have property such that, right, that is adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary, that is when we add two adjacent angles the sum will be of 180, right? So we have angle DAB plus angle CDA, right? So when we add two adjacent angles the sum will be of 180 degree. Okay. Why? Because adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay. So similarly when we add these two angles, that is angle at D and angle at C, when we add these two we will get 180. Similarly angle at C, angle at B, when we add it will be of 180 degree. So when we add two adjacent angles it will be of 180 degree and opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal and two diagonals bisect each other. So these are all the general properties of the parallelogram. So using that easily we can solve this problem. Thank you. Thanks for watching.